Hi everyone dealing with that annoying pressure behind your eyes, the stuffy nose that just won't quit, and maybe even a headache to top it all off. Sinus congestion is no fun, but thankfully, there are natural ways to find some relief. Today, we're exploring a simple, natural remedy you can try right at home to help clear those blocked passages: steam inhalation. So, what exactly is steam inhalation and why does it work for sinus congestion? Well, it's pretty straightforward. Breathing in warm, moist air helps to thin out the thick mucus trapped in your sinuses, making it easier to drain. The warmth also soothes irritated nasal passages and can reduce inflammation, easing that uncomfortable pressure. It's a classic remedy because it's effective and uses something readily available: water. Ready to give it a try? Here's how you can do it safely. First, you'll need a large bowl, some water, and a towel big enough to drape over your head. Go ahead and boil some water, enough to fill the bowl about halfway. Carefully pour the hot water into the bowl. You want it steamy, but let it cool just slightly for a minute or two so it's not dangerously scalding. Now, find a comfortable place to sit and place the bowl on a stable surface in front of you. Lean forward over the bowl, keeping your face at a safe distance, about 8 to 12 inches away, to avoid burns from the steam. Drape the towel over the back of your head and around the bowl to create a sort of tent, trapping the steam. Close your eyes, relax, and breathe in slowly and deeply through your nose for about 5 to 10 minutes. If your nose is completely blocked, you might need to alternate breathing through your mouth until the steam starts to loosen things up. Afterwards, gently blow your nose to clear out any loosened mucus. You can repeat this a couple of times a day if needed. Now, a couple of important precautions. Be extremely careful with the hot water to prevent burns. This is crucial, especially if children are nearby. Let the water cool slightly before you start inhaling. Also, while some people like to add a drop or two of essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint, be very cautious. These can be irritating for some individuals, especially those with asthma or allergies, so maybe try plain steam first. And remember, while steam inhalation can offer great relief for mild to moderate congestion, it's not a cure-all. This information is for general knowledge and informational purposes only, and does not constitute medical advice. If your symptoms are severe, last longer than a week or two, or if you have a fever, it's always best to consult with your doctor or a healthcare professional. Did you find this helpful? If so, give this video a thumbs up. And I'd love to hear from you. What are your go-to natural remedies for sinus congestion? Share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Natural Home Remedy for more simple tips and natural solutions for everyday wellness.